Alokendu, why are you sending such emojis? And welcome back again. Today I will be taking your science class. Now is your science class, right? Alokendu, stop sending such emojis, okay? And yes, good morning. And now I will again take your science class. And the chapter was going, that is safety rules, isn't it? Safety rules was, the chapter was going. Safety rules. Yeah. So safety rules. Today I will be continuing with it. And as we were discussing that the safety measures we should follow in this situation, not only in these situations but for every day. We were already discussing, right? And the safety rules, let's quickly summarize the things that we have learned from this chapter. That the reading of the chapter is completed, right? The reading of the chapter is completed. Okay. So quickly summarize the things that you have learned from this chapter. That is safety on the road. The things we need to follow on the road, that are, whenever we will be crossing the road, we need to look forward with the traffic signal, that the red light says stop and the yellow light says wait and the green light says go. And we always need to cross the road on the zebra crossing, at the zebra crossing. And another point, we must wait for the traffic to stop first. Whenever we will be, whenever we will be crossing the road, first we need to wait for the traffic to stop, then first look at the right, then left, then right, and then cross the road when the traffic will not be coming, isn't it? These are the, use proper traffic signals and zebra crossing to cross the road. And the safety while traveling, whenever you are coming to school, what safety measures you need to do? That you must stand in a queue at the bus stop while boarding the bus. Whenever you will be going up in the bus, you need to stand in a queue and then board into the bus. Then we must not get in or out a moving bus. Wait for the bus to stop, then get down. So we must not need to move in a get in or get down from a bus. When the bus will stop, then we can get down. Yes, Alokendu, good morning. Then we must not lean out or put our hands out of the moving bus. We can see in the picture that we must not lean out like this kid. We must not lean out of the moving bus, and we must not disturb the bus driver, isn't it? Because driving, whenever the bus driver is driving, he is very conscious, and we should never disturb the bus driver, isn't it? Safety at home. Yeah, safety at home. We must not jump on the bed. we must not. And in the case of medicines, we must not take medicine without permission of our parents. Whenever you need to take a medicine, just ask your parent, then take that. Okay? Yes, Kaustav, we must not jump. Here, we must not play with sharp things like blades, knives, because you can see that these kids got hurt. We must not play with sharp things. They can hurt us. And we must not touch electric wires, plugs, heaters. They can give us electric shock. Yes, we must not play with electric wires and gadgets. That was harmful. Safety in a swimming pool. We must use the swimming tube. If we do not know how to swim, this swimming tube we need to use. We must not go deep into the pool, or we must not go into the swimming pool if there is no elder with us. So, we will not be going to a swimming pool with no elder. If your parent is with you, then you can go. Safety at school. We must not jump on desk. We should never jump on desk. Yes, Debayo. Shubhecha, yes, good. And we must move in a line and not push one another. In classrooms, we should not ever push one another, isn't it? Yeah. And safety in the playground. We must play in a park or a playground. We must always play games in a safe way. If someone gets hurt, we must help him or her till the doctor came. We must call an elder person immediately. We will call the elder person immediately. And what is first aid? We must wash the wound, apply medicine and tie a bandage on clean cloth or put a band-aid with the help of elder. This help is called first aid. Keep it in mind. Okay? Yeah. And we must have a first aid box. We must have a first aid box in our house, in our home, class, car or school bus. We all should have a first aid box. So, this is the summarization of this chapter. And the exercise, tick the correct answer you have done. Let me know what you have done. First one, we must not play with a what? Let me know. Knife, yes. We must not play with knife. 1C. 2. To learn swimming, we must use a swimming tube. Yes. That is also C. We should play in the park. That is option A. Yeah. Now come to the next page. Page number 32. Fill in the blanks you can see. So we need to choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. Here the options you can see and fill in the blanks. We must not touch what? Electric plugs. Yes. You can do this in your book, okay? Number 2. We must always move in a dash on stairs. Number 3. We always move in a line. Yes, very good. Line. Then we must not dash on the road. Yes, correct. Play or run. We must not play or run. And number 4. We must follow dash we must follow dash all the time. Yes, correct. Devayan, Iman, Aritra, Kaustav, Sridatri, Anirban. Yes, safety rules. Okay. Have you completed? Will I erase now? Have you completed? Okay. I'm erasing now. And now I will ask you some questions, not from the exercise, but I will ask you from my side. I know you can answer this. These are very easy. Let's do this, okay? Write it in your copy. The green light says go, stop or wait. Which will be the correct option? Go. You will write it and tick the correct option. Yes, the green light says go. Yes, tick the correct option. Number 2. without permission of our parents, we must not take any apple, medicine, or food. What is the correct? Yes, medicine. Without permission of our parents, we must not take medicine. Yes. Without permission of our parents, we must not take medicine. Yes, correct. Number 3. We always walk on the road. Footpath. Or moving bus. Footpath. Yes, very good. We always walk on the footpath. Footpath. Yes, correct. Will I erase number 1? Number 1, will I erase? The green light says correct option is go. Number 2, without permission of our parents, we must not take any medicine. Number B is the correct option. Number 3, we always walk on the, here also B, footpath is the correct option. I am erasing the number 1. We must have a first aid box in our home, park, or road. Where? Yes, home. We must have a first aid box in our home. Okay, so these are the from your book, exactly not from your exercise but from your book that I have done. These are exactly not from your exercise but from inside of your book. Okay, yeah. We must have a first aid box in our home. Option A is the correct option. Clear? So today the time is up. Okay. All of you have written now? All of you have written? Okay. So today the time is up. Today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye for today. Bye.